guys, it is your girl Asia and I'm back with another video. So I know I have not been posting in a while, and I probably said this in every video that I've recorded recently and that I'm going to post, but girl is going to go ahead and pierce her own self, my own self, on camera. So if you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, like, comment, and share. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I know this is like not a tutorial, but I know that I had to put some input on here. This is my first time. This is not a tutorial. I don't advise anyone to do this at home, and I'm literally recording this like voiceover 3 days later. But the first thing I did was I used alcohol. I don't know what type of alcohol, but alcohol to rub all over the area that I was going to pierce. And I did it for 1 minute and 30 seconds because that's how long the recording was without me speeding it up. So the next thing is, of course, to grab the packaging. Once again, this is not a tutorial, but I really felt the need to tell you what I did for this whole thing. So I got a package from Amazon, and it is by Body4U or Body J4U, and it comes with a whole bunch of other piercing bars, like, you know, different bars for different parts of your body. Let's say your nose, if you want your septum, your belly, of course, and other parts. It came with clamps. It came with 2 clamps. It came with a pair of gloves. It came with 2 different types of gauges. So you had the 14 gauge and the 15 gauge, and I'm assuming that the 14 gauge is bigger than the freaking 15 gauge. You have alcohol pads, and also you have the different needles. So the 15 gauge is smaller than a 14 gauge, apparently. I don't know. I was kind of confused. So yes. So at this point, I decided to use the 14 gauge because I was definitely like, go big or go home. So what fell, at this point you won't see it fall, but in 3, 2, 1, it fell. It was the little thing covering the tip of the needle. So I used a 15 gauge, and I used the clamp to go ahead and secure the spot that I wanted the needle to go through. I'm so scared, bro. I'm so scared. Man, when I tell y'all I was sweating, and I couldn't just push the needle through because like I really wanted to like push the needle through, but I couldn't. All I could do was just push it through slowly, and I feel like, you know, after like a couple of days of, you know, having this piercing in, that literally I kind of it's not really, it's like sitting in a low-key awkward, slightly sideways-ish position, but it's not at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but I like the positioning, but at the same time I don't. Okay, time to put this part through and I'm done. When I tell y'all it was a struggle, it was definitely a struggle putting that needle through and pushing that bar through. Okay, so we're finally done. My mom helped me put in the bottom part, but I could hold it down, not like, and then, you know, I just swabbed it up because it was bleeding, bro. And like, I literally was sweating because I'm just like, I'm really piercing myself. So, yeah, I pierced my belly button. That was part of my goals for the year. I wanted to dye my hair and I did that myself. I wanted to get a tattoo and I got one. And I wanted to have a belly button piercing and I got it. So, yeah, I like it, and yeah, can't wait to have jewelry for it and stuff. So alright, bet, bye, and I hope y'all have a nice day. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe.